Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video and hopefully help someone out there that is struggling with anxiety, depression, low mood, and it's interfering with your sleep as well. A lot of people are trying to go the holistic route and don't want to rely on prescription drugs as much, or maybe just wean themselves off of that. So I will give you the list of the stuff that I am currently taking, and this list I take before bed. Some of them you can take during the day and it won't interrupt your normal routine, but this is what I take before bed, just to like help my mind stop racing, calm my body down, just make me feel more relaxed so that I can take my mind off of falling asleep. Because I don't know if you're like me, but when I can't fall asleep and I'm just thinking about it, I'm like, oh my goodness, I just need to fall asleep. I need to go to sleep. I only have this many hours left. I have so much to do tomorrow. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. And it's like the more you try to make yourself go to sleep, you can't, because you just can't calm your mind, can't calm your body, and you just think over and over of all the stuff you have to do. So the first thing I want to introduce is called Natural Calm. It's a relaxing magnesium supplement. And this one I get is from Natural Vitality. I don't know if you can see because there's kind of a glare. I can't really see, but I'll try to put like a picture on the screen. It's an anti-stress drink, and the ingredients are really simple. It says ionic magnesium citrate, created from highly absorbable proprietary blend of citric acid and magnesium carbonate, organic orange flavor, and organic stevia. So it's really straightforward. You just add a little bit to water or some juice, and in 20 minutes you will definitely start to feel relaxed. It will even might make you take a nap if you take it in the middle of the day. I mean, it's not like a groggy, like druggy kind of feeling, but it does make you relax to the point where if you haven't had sleep in a while, you might find yourself just taking a quick nap. The only thing that I notice when I take too much of this, like I probably take like half a teaspoon to start, because it's a powder, and then maybe increase, because I notice if I take too much, it makes me go to the bathroom. So if you don't want to be pooping everywhere, go easy. But yeah, it definitely does work. And I not only take this if I have anxiety, but I also take this when I'm having migraines, which I experience a lot, and when I have extreme like menstrual pain. It seems to help me work through that as well. So that's the first one. The second one is 5-HTP. It helps with neurotransmitter support and supports positive mood by helping your body increase serotonin production. And serotonin is known as the happy molecule. So, I mean, you need that for everything. You need that for your mood. You need that for energy levels. You need that for your metabolism, like everything. You need serotonin. And if you're not getting enough sleep, if you're on a particularly high amount of stress, whatever it may be, you may not have enough serotonin, and 5-HTP helps a lot. And I take this at night as well as during the day, because it doesn't make me sleepy, but this is definitely part of my before bed routine. The next one is called L-theanine. Can you see? I don't know, can't really see. But it comes from an amino acid, and it supports calmness and mental focus. So if you're struggling with mental, your thoughts racing, and you just need to calm down, maybe your imagination is just getting away from you for a minute, and you need to just stay calm. If you heard of that saying, take a chill pill? Well, if a chill pill was a supplement, it would be this. This definitely chills you right out. Yeah, so I really like this, and I take this 30 minutes before bed, and if I need to, I can safely take this during the day without it making me feel super duper tired, but definitely before bed. The next one is St. John's Wort. I'm sure a lot of you have probably heard about this by now. It's really popular. Some people do say that you should contact your physician before you take this, because it could have contraindications if you are on medication, but I'm not, and I can safely take it, and I haven't had any bad side effects to it. And St. John's Wort is commonly used to treat depression and symptoms that sometimes go along with nervousness, tiredness, poor appetite, and trouble sleeping. So I really like it. It really helps me. So hopefully it'll help someone else out there. Those 4. Okay, and then the last one, this one, they do have a warning, like if you are on certain antidepressants or serotonin reuptake inhibitors, that you should consult your physician before you take this. But the other one I take is called SAMe, and it's stabilized S-Adenosyl Methionine. I don't know if I said that right, but that also comes from an amino acid, I believe. I haven't done a whole bunch of research on it, but it is a compound that is naturally found in the body, and then as a supplement it is synthetically synthesized, and this can help with, hold on, I looked it up, it can help treat depression, anxiety, fibromyalgia, osteoarthritis, chronic fatigue syndrome, improve mental performance. And when I take it, I feel fantastic, but there is a warning label like on the side. You can't read that, but that if you are on any kind of like drugs, that you should consult your doctor to make sure there isn't a contraindication there. But it also says that you should be warned if you have Parkinson's disease, bipolar, or manic depression. And I don't know if they say that because you're going to be on medications that would counteract with the supplement. I don't know why, because when I was doing my research online about it, it said it can help treat Parkinson's disease and depression and anxiety and all those things. So I'm not really sure. But I can tell from just experience that I feel great. I normally suffer with the insomnia, and I have done for years, and I started this regimen probably about 6 months ago, and every single night I at least get, I don't know, 5 to 6 hours of sleep, and that's a record for me. I used to only get like maybe 3, and if something woke me up, that was it. I couldn't get back to sleep, and I would just be stuck awake. And then the next day, I would just go through the entire day exhausted, but unable to fall asleep. I don't know why, but that's just the way my body is. Like for ages, I would have to get myself so tired before my body would just like completely conk out. But that's what it was. I'd have to exhaust my mind and exhaust my body just to get sleep. And after taking these supplements for the last 6 months or so, I'm actually sleeping at night. I mean, it's only 5 or 6 hours, but it's better than nothing, and it's better than it was. And I can get more done during my day because I'm not dragging butt trying to make up for all like the lost hours of sleep. So I hope that helps somebody out there. Definitely do your research. Yes, I can put a list of these supplements in the description so that you know what the names are and can actually look them up. You can take any of these supplements during the day if you're struggling. They all help. But the ones that make you kind of sleepy are the L-theanine and the Natural Calm Magnesium anti-stress drink thing. Yeah, that might make you kind of sleepy, but not to the point where you couldn't function, you couldn't get things done, but you might fall asleep not meaning to. So anyway, I hope that helps somebody out there, and I love you. Sending all the love, you guys, because we're gonna get through this. And yeah, just stay positive and encouraged and connected, and pray or meditate, release the stress. So don't hang on to the stress, don't bottle it up, don't allow your imagination to run away with you. And if you're spending a lot of time on social media and you're just getting all this conflicting knowledge, just take a break. Just push it aside and try to ground yourself in the truth and what matters. Go to your peaceful, happy place and turn and look to sources that are going to nurture that within you and kind of replenish those levels, those spiritual levels as well. All right, guys, I will talk to you on the flip side. Peace.